Welcome to Scratch, and this time I'm going to teach you how to make a Flappy Bird game. And first, you're going to search Flappy Bird resources. And go to the first one. And this is mine, so I don't have the remix button, so I just going to see inside. And you're going to get remix. So I don't remix, so I'm going to save a copy. And let's go to Scratch. And first, we're going to make a green flag click, and we're gonna set two more variables: score for this round only, and gravity. Oopsie, gravity for this round only, and delete the my variables. Right. First, you're gonna set score to 0 and set gravity to 0. And you're gonna go to motion, and take a go to negative xy, negative 200 and negative 10. So it will go to over there here. And then you're going to take a forever loop, change y by gravity, and then change gravity by -1. So it will get fallen, but you won't fly. So we're gonna make one more green flag click, and this one forever loop. F key space press. Uh, then you're gonna change gravity by 10. So you'll see, oh my, yeah, I think that is too much. 5, uh, oh my god. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get a knot. And key space press. And then I'll wait until. Oh, here. Change set gravity. Yeah, set gravity to 10. So if go flying, and now you're gonna don't show the variables of score and gravity, and go to backdrop and take a new one, and then pick blue sky 2. So there's a blue sky, or you can pick blue sky 2. No, blue sky 1. Yeah, that's better. Done. So now the Flappy Bird will fly, but the pipe won't. So, um, I think I forgot. So I take all my script to the backdrop. Yeah, I think yeah. And I wanna take the both of them out, and you're just gonna copy it. Copy the whole thing. And I'm gonna give you 1.5 minutes. Yeah, just pause the video. I'm just gonna start it. Then you just gonna wait a second. Yeah, I think yep. And then so the pipe will move, but the real one didn't show on. Yeah, and the score doesn't show. This kind of score doesn't show. Yep. And first you're gonna, and I'm gonna add something to the rank green flag. Like I'm gonna get a high and a show. No, just high. Yep. and you're gonna get a set score to 0. And the bird score, you don't need the score. Yeah, okay. Oopsie. Don't need to show it. Yeah, like that. And if you pass the pipe, you're gonna get a score. But I think if you touch the pipe, you'll lose. So, but it won't. So you're gonna go to the bird sprite, and you're gonna get an if, actually two if, and then you're gonna say touching pipe, and one more touching edge. Because if you fly too high, then you're gonna dodge off the pipe, so that's not fair. So I'm gonna do to both. You're gonna broadcast a message. You lose. Done. You lose. Okay, and then go to the game over. I'm gonna game over. Okay, I'm gonna change the name to the game over. And when I receive you lose, you're gonna hide. And then when when green flag click hide, when I receive you lose, you're gonna show. Yeah, like that. And then you're gonna make some space and you're gonna get a stop all here. Where? Okay. And you're going to go to the birth spread and make one more variable called high. Wait, how do you spell high? Yeah, HIG. Score for, and you this time you're gonna do the cloud variable. But if you don't have the cloud variable, just do it for all right. It's fine for both of them. And then you go first. Then you're gonna uh, take take a if, two if, and take two equals. No, not equals. Greater. And then score is greater than high score. Both of them, and you're gonna set high score to score. Put it in after broadcast you lose, not after the if. So you'll see, yeah. If I score to 2 and the game over, high score will change to 2. Yeah. Then you're gonna add some sounds. So go to sounds, and yeah, I already have it. So green flag click for after loop, play sound, sound one and two down. So there's a sound. And if you touch this pipe, it's game over. Also the edge. Yeah, because if you're not putting the, I'm just gonna show it. If you're not putting the if touching edge, you're just gonna go to the higher edge and dodge all of the pipes. So I'm gonna add this here. Yeah, and this is end of our Flappy Bird game. Scratch tutorial, I mean. Bye bye. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, comment down below.